Hello, students. Welcome to another class on the topic On the Face of It. In our last class, students, we got to know that On the Face of It is a one-act play written by the author Susan Hill. And the play comprises of mainly two characters. One is Mr. Lamb and the other one is Derry. Mr. Lamb is an old man with a thin leg and Derry is a young boy of 14 years, okay, and he has a burnt face. So Mr. Lamb and Derry, both of them have a similarity. That is, both of them are physically deformed. One has a thin leg and one has a burnt face. But do these physical deformities make them similar in their characters? No, totally different. Both of them are totally different in their natures and attitude towards life. Mr. Lamb is a very positive minded person, whereas Derry is a very negative minded person. Okay, Mr. Lamb is very optimistic, whereas Derry is very pessimistic. Derry thinks that people are afraid of him, people are horrified to see his burned face, so he always keeps away from human company. But Mr. Lamb is not like that. Although he has a thin leg, but he does not allow the physical deformity to pose as a hindrance in his path of enjoying the life to the fullest. He enjoys his life, he loves people coming to meet him, and he has a garden. The most important thing is that he has a big garden, and the gate of the garden is always open. He always keeps the garden gate open because he wants that people should come to his garden, people should enjoy the beauty of the garden, enjoy the flowers there, sit there. Then he also makes jelly for the children coming to the garden with the crab apples. He makes honey for them, he makes sweets for them. That means Mr. Lamb is a person who loved human company, and he always welcomed everyone to his garden. That is why all the time his garden gate was kept open. Now, where did Mr. Lamb and Derry meet for the first time? The meeting of Mr. Lamb and Derry is a very important point. Okay, it's the starting point of the play. Where did they meet each other? It was in the garden of Mr. Lamb that Miss Derry and Mr. Lamb got to meet each other. Derry came to Mr. Lamb's garden considering it to be an empty place. Derry ভাবিছিলে যে তাত কোনো মানুহ নাই, খালি জায়গা. He always was looking for such places which are barren, which are empty, okay, where there are no human beings, because he loved to spend time in isolation. He loved to spend time in a lonely manner because he was afraid of people. Afraid of people means he thought that people were embarrassed to see him. So he always tried to keep away from human beings. Okay, so he came to the garden considering it to be an empty place. He went to the garden, and while he was walking along the long grass in the garden, suddenly he was startled, he was shocked. क्यों शॉक खाले? Because Mr. Lamb was sitting behind the bushes and he did not know that someone was present there. And Mr. Lamb okay, he addressed Derry and really he was shocked. And after he got to know that someone was there in the garden, Mr. Lamb was there in the garden, means a person was there, he started panicking. Okay, he became anxious and he was telling that I should go, I must go. But Mr. Lamb was not giving any importance to it. Mr. Lamb was telling Derry that you may stay here. My garden gate is always open. You should not go on account of me. It's because I am here. You may not go from this place. Okay, you are most welcome. But very slowly, you see, he was trying to draw Mr. Lamb's attention towards his burned face. Okay, and Mr. Lamb was not interested in Derry's face, but it was Derry who was trying to draw his attention, Mr. Lamb's attention to his burned face. Okay, and telling Mr. Lamb that it is a face which makes people afraid. It is a terrible thing. Even I am also afraid of my face whenever I look in the mirror. But Mr. Lamb was not looking, not staring at Derry at all, and he was not interested in Derry's face at all, because Mr. Lamb was a person who did not give importance to the external appearances. Okay, so students, today we are going to continue from page number 58. But to draw the link, let me read out a few lines from page number 57 or 57. You think here's a boy. You look at me, and then you see my face and you think, that's bad, that's a terrible thing. That's the ugliest thing I ever saw. You think, poor boy, but I'm not. Means ডেৰিয়ে ভাবিছিলে যে মানুহে যেতিয়াই ডেৰিক দেখে এই কথাবোৰ মানুহৰ মনলৈ আহে. These are the thoughts which came to people's mind whenever Derry was seen by people. কি বুলি ভাবে মানুহে? Here's a boy, that's bad, that's a terrible thing. Ugliest thing, এনেকুৱা কুৎসিত বস্তু আমি আগতে দেখা নাই. Poor boy. He knew that everyone used to take pity on him. Everyone used to sympathize with him. But then he's telling inside himself, no, underneath you are afraid. I'm not poor. Underneath you are afraid. There is telling Mr. Lem, apuniও ভয় খাইছে. আপনিও ভিতৰত বিৰাট ভয় খাইছে মোক দেখি. But you are not showing it. Anybody would be. I am. মই বেয়া নাপাওঁ. সকলো মানুহে মোক দেখি ভয় খাব. Because of my face. When I look in the mirror and see it, I'm afraid of me. মই যেতিয়া মিৰৰত চাওঁ নিজকে মই নিজে ভয় খাওঁ. অইনৰ কথা বাদেই দিয়ক. I am afraid of myself. So you are also afraid of me. There is telling Mr. Lamb. Now let us continue from page number 58, students. Mr. Lamb, no, not the whole of you, not of you. Mr. Lamb is telling, no, not the whole of you, not of you. I'm not afraid of you, not the whole of you. Why are you thinking like that? Yes, there is telling. Then there is a pause, okay? See? It's a place, so there will be dialogues only. There is conversation. Then setting will be there. In the brackets, the author writes what are the actors doing at the time. So there is a pause. That means no one is talking for a few moments. Then Mr. Lamb initiates the conversation. He again starts the conversation telling, later on when it's a bit cooler, I will get the ladder and a stick and pull down those crab apples. They are ripe for it. I make jelly. It's a good time of year, September. Underline that. Look at them, orange and golden. That's magic fruit. I often say, but it's best picked and made into jelly. You could give me a hand. So Mr. Lamb now, after a few moments pause, is telling Derry, later on when it's a bit cooler, যেতিয়া অকমান ঠাণ্ডা পৰিব অলপ গধূলিলে, I will get the ladder, মানে জখলাখনৰ কথা কৈছো, okay? I will get the ladder and a stick and pull down those crab apples, okay? And he's telling that crab apples were the apples growing in Mr. Lamb's garden, and he's telling Derry that they are ripe now. The crab apples are ripe. I will make jelly. I make jelly out of the crab apples. And it's a very good time of the year. It's the month of September. In the month of September, it's very good to pluck the crab apples and make jelly out of them. Look at them. They're orange and golden in color, the crab apples. He's trying to draw Derry's attention towards the crab apple and telling that, see the fruit? They are so attractive, so tempting. They are orange and golden in color. They are magic fruit. He's full of appreciation for the crab apples. He's full of praise for the crab apples. I often say that they are really magic fruit. But it's best picked and made into jelly. এনেই খাবলেও ভাল, কিন্তু jelly বনাই খাবলে বেছি ভাল. Mr. Lamb is telling it's best picked and made into jelly. You could give me a hand. Underline that. Here Mr. Lamb is seeking Derry's help, okay? He wants that Derry should also offer him help, a helping hand. Derryও যাতে তেওঁ সহায় কৰে. কি কৰিবলৈ সহায় কৰে? Crab apples খিনি পাৰিব কাৰণে সহায় কৰে. That is what Mr. Lamb is telling Derry. You could give me a hand. তুমিও মোক সহায় কৰিব পাৰিবা অলপ. Derry, what have you changed the subject for? People always do that. Why don't you ask me? Why do you do what they all do and pretend it isn't true and isn't there? In case I see you looking and mind and get upset, I tell you, you don't ask me because you are afraid to. Now, Derry is telling Mr. Lamb, he's demanding to know from Mr. Lamb যে Mr. Lamb topic to কিয় সলনি কৰিলে? কি topic চলি আছিলে? What was the topic? What was the topic on which they were discussing? The topic was Derry's face, and it was Derry himself who was emphasizing on his burnt face. It was Derry himself who was drawing Mr. Lamb's attention to his burnt face. Now that Mr. Lamb is now talking about the crab apples, Derry ভাবিছে Mr. Lamb জানি বুজি টপিকটো সলনি কৰি দিলে, okay? সেইকাৰণে Mr. Lambক Derryয়ে কৈছে যে আপুনি কিয় সাবজেক্টটো সলনি কৰিলে? Why have you changed the subject for? People do that. See, Derry had the habit of generalizing everything. Okay, you may write in brackets generalizing, মানে সব বস্তু generalize কৰি দিয়ে, সবে সকলোৱে একে ধৰণে ভাবে বুলি Derry had a conviction like that. Okay, Derry is telling that people do that, মানুহে এইটো কৰে. Why don't you ask me? আপুনি মোক কিয় নুহুদে? Why do you do what they all pretend? আপুনিও একেটাই কৰিছে. They means other people also do like this. They also pretend. Pretend means they act. Acting কৰি দেখায়, they pretend, they ভাও ধৰে মানুহবিলাকে, it isn't true and isn't there. It মানে it's referring to his face, as if মোৰ মুখৰ সেই ভয়ংকৰ পাৰ্টটো যেন নাই, এইটো যেন কোনো নাই দেখা, কিছুমান মানুহে সেই ধৰণে এক্টিং কৰে. And you are also pretending as if I don't have it, I don't have that burned face. You are pretending, and that is why you are avoiding my face, and you are changing the topic. You are talking on something else. In case I see you looking and mind and get upset, apuni kele enekwa korise moi gom pao. I know why you are doing like that. Okay, because you think that I will mind it, moi beya pam, moi upset hoi jam, I will feel sad when I will notice that you are looking at my face and you are afraid of it. I will tell you, you don't ask me because you are afraid of. Apuni mur mukhon ki hol kiyo hudha nai, karon kele apuni bhoy khai. You are also afraid of me. You are afraid to ask. Derry is, he's blaming Mr. Lamb, you may say. Derry is trying to generalize Mr. Lamb with other people. And he's trying to blame Mr. Lamb, telling that Mr. Lamb had changed the topic and drawn Derry's attention towards the crab apples only to divert his mind from Derry's face. Okay, actually Mr. Lamb was doing it to cover his fears, the fears that he had to see Derry's face. Okay, he was pretending, he was covering, he was acting. Okay, this is what Derry thought about Mr. Lamb. Mr. Lamb, you want me to ask, say so then. Mr. Lamb কৈছে তাৰমানে তুমি মই সুধিলে ভাল পোৱা, তোমাৰ মুখখনত কি হ'ল, কোৱা তেতিয়াহ'লে if you are so willing to say. Derry, I don't like being with people, any people. Students, very important line. I would suggest it, please underline. Underline কৰি লোৱা. There is negative attitude. Okay, Derry did not like human company. Side লিখি থৈ দিয়া. Derry did not like human company, or Derry disliked people. He কি বুলি কৈছে চোৱা, I don't like being with people. There is attitude, any people. Clearly, frankly, he's telling Mr. Lamb, I don't like being with people. মই মানুহৰ লগত থাকি বেয়া পাওঁ, যিকোনো মানুহ. Mr. Lamb, I should say, to look at it, I should say you got a burnt in a fire. Mr. Lambe Derry কৈছে যে to look at it. To look at it means মুখখন চাবলে. I should say কি হৈছিলে বাৰু, তুমি জুই লাগি গৈছিলে নেকি? Did you get burnt in a fire? Mr. Lamb is now asking, but he had no interest in that thing. It was Derry who forced him to ask. It was Derry who forced him to ask Mr. Lamb about his face. Otherwise, Mr. Lamb was not at all interested. Derry imanke koar karne Mr. Lambe khudise aru. Okay, ki hol kot hol eta ghotna. Derry, not in a fire. I got acid all down that side of my face and it burnt it all away. It ate up my face. It ate me up. And now it's like this and it won't ever be any different. Very important lines are here, students. See, there is telling not in a fire. I got acid all down that side of my face and it burnt it all away. You may underline that. There is telling Mr. Lamb that fire nohoy, acid porigol is side of good side to mukhot acid porile and it got burnt away. It ate up my face. It ate me up. Those two lines are very important. There is telling Mr. Lamb that it ate up my face. The acid ate up my face. All of you are science students. All of you are well aware what acid can do to a person's face. Okay, and see, you all know that generally mostly when concentrated acid fall on a person's body or face, it digs the face, you may say. It digs the muscles, it digs the entire place where it falls, and it makes ugly scars on the face. It's really painful also. So hekhini kotha tumalke janai. So Derry logot henekwa eta ghotna hoisile. Acid fall on one side of his face and it ate up his face. And Derry is telling it ate me up. Please underline, that is most important. It ate me up. Within brackets you write down it destroyed his whole life. প্ৰথম পাৰ্টটো হৈছে এট মাই ফেচ, দেট ইজ এপাৰেণ্ট থিং, মুখৰ দেখা পাৰ্টটো জ্বলাই দিলে, অ'কে, দেট ইজ দ্য এপাৰেণ্ট থিং. এট মি আপ মিনছ ফ্ৰম ইনচাইড হি ৱাজ ট'টেলি ডেষ্ট্ৰইড. আফটাৰ দেট ইনচিডেণ্ট ডেৰী লষ্ট হিজ ছেল্ফ কনফিডেঞ্চ, ডেৰী লষ্ট হিজ জেষ্ট ফৰ লাইফ, ডেৰীজ এটিটিউড টুৱাৰ্ডছ লাইফ ট'টেলি চেঞ্জড. হি বিকেম a very pessimistic person. He developed a negative attitude towards life. So it ate him up from inside. মানুহটোক মানে একেবাৰে ভিতৰৰ পৰা তাক একেবাৰে নিৰাশ কৰি পেলালে. সেইটো হৈছে ate me up. আৰু ate my face up মানে that is the apparent thing only. Two distinct things. Please remember students. One is the apparent thing. Causing harm to his external appearance. The second line is referring to causing harm to his inner being, his personality, okay? And now it is like this. Our tarpisor prato moi enake asu. It won't ever be any different. Ketiao change nohoy. It will always remain like this. Mr. Lamb, no. Derry, aren't you interested? There is asking Mr. Derry. There is asking Mr. Lamb, interest po nai niki mur kotha to? Aren't you interested in it? Mr. Lamb, you are a boy who came into the garden. Plenty do. I am interested in anybody, anything. There is nothing God made that doesn't interest me. Look over there, over beside the far wall. What can you see? Mr. Lamb is telling that interest po nai mane? You are a boy. To me, mur karne ki hoy? What was Derry for Mr. Lamb? Okay, what opinion did Mr. Lamb form regarding Derry? Okay, he is expressing it. There, Mr. Lamb is expressing his opinion on Derry. He is telling that you are a boy. To me, মোৰ কাৰণে এটা ল'ৰা যিটো মোৰ গাৰ্ডেনলৈ আহিছে. Simply that. Plenty do. Many boys come to my garden. I am interested in anybody. I am not interested in special persons. I am interested in anybody, anything. There is nothing God made that doesn't interest me. মানে ভগৱানে বনোৱা এনেকুৱা একো বস্তু নাই যিটোৱে মোক ইণ্টাৰেষ্ট নিদিয়ে. I am interested in everything that God has created. Look over there. Mr. Lambe Derrick ক'লে সেইফালে চোৱাচোন. Over beside the far wall. He is a durat wallখন আছে, wallখনৰ কিনাৰলৈ চোৱা. Beside means by the side of the wall. What can you see? Mr. Lamb is asking Derry. তুমি তাত কি দেখিছা বাৰু? He is asking Derry, what do you see there? Derry, rubbish. Rubbish means unwanted things. Okay, jabor juthor boli kobo pare. Rubbish. Mr. Lamb, rubbish. Look, boy, look, what do you see? Swasun ki dekhisa, bhalke swa ki dekhisa. Derry, just grass and stuff, weeds. And Derry bhalke sale durole. Derry ক'লে মই কি দেখিছোঁ অকল মই তাত দেখোন ঘাঁহে দেখিছোঁ. I can see grass and stuff and weeds there. Weeds means unwanted plants, okay? যিবোৰ গাৰ্ডেনৰ পৰা মানুহে গাৰ্ডেন যেতিয়া কৰে তেতিয়া এই weeds বা ঘাঁহবিলাক আঁতৰাই দিয়ে. মানে অলাগতিয়াল যিবিলাক মানে weeds are those things, okay? Unwanted things. Unwanted মানে যিবোৰ ঘাঁহ বন মানুহক নেলাগে আৰু সেইবোৰে মানুহে ভাবে যে সেইবিলাকে ফুলনিখনৰ সৌন্দৰ্যটো বেয়া কৰি দিয়ে. It mars the beauty of the garden. These things are the weeds and the grasses. But Mr. Lamb telling Derry, see properly. Derry is telling that I can see only grass and stuff and weeds there. Mr. Lamb, some call them weeds. Some people call them weeds. If you like then a weed garden, moi jani bujie tat hebor thakibole disu. Okay, Mr. Lamb is মানুহে hebor weeds বুলি কয়. তুমি বিচাৰিছা তুমি উইড বুলি ক'ব পাৰা. সেইখন এখন মই গাৰ্ডেনে কৰি থৈছোঁ. ইটছ দ্য গাৰ্ডেন অফ দ্য উইডছ. উইডছ মিনছ দ্য আনৱান্টেড প্লাণ্টছ. অ'কে, দ্য ষ্টাফ, দ্য গ্ৰাছ, all these things are there. There's fruit and there are flowers and trees and herbs, all sorts. Mr. Lamb is telling Terry that in the plant kingdom we have so many things. We have fruits there, we have plants bearing flowers, we have trees, we have herbs, but over there weeds. আৰু এই প্লাণ্ট কিংডমৰ প্ৰায়বিলাক ধুনীয়া ধুনীয়া বস্তু মিষ্টাৰ লেম্বৰ গাৰ্ডেনতে আছে. মিষ্টাৰ লেম্বে কৈছে যে মোৰ গাৰ্ডেনত ফ্ৰুট থকা প্লাণ্টছ আছে, যেনেকৈ ক্ৰেব এপলছ. মোৰ গাৰ্ডেনত ফুল গছ আছে, কিন্তু মোৰ গাৰ্ডেনত উইডছবিলাককো মই থৈ দিছোঁ. উইডছবিলাককো মই মানে ছিঙি উঘালি পেলোৱা নাই. I have not done away with the weeds. It's not that I have plucked away the weeds. I grow deliberately. I grow the weeds there. মই জানি বুজি তাত সেই ঘাঁহ বনৰীয়া লতাবিলাক মই তাত থাকিবলৈ দিছোঁ. Why is one green growing plant called a weed and another flower? Where is the difference? It's all life growing, same as you and me. very important line, students, please underline. This shows Mr. Lamb's attitude. Mr. Lambe কৈছে যে সবটো একে, all are green color. যেনেকে গোলাপ ফুলো গ্ৰীণ কালাৰ, ঠিক তেনেকৈ ফুল নুফুলা ঘাঁহখিনিওতো গ্ৰীণ কালাৰ। অ'কে, বনৰীয়া লতাডালোতো গ্ৰীণ কালাৰ, য'ত মানে মানুহে বেয়া পায় আঁতৰাই দিয়ে। অ'কে, এই ঘাঁহ বনবিলাক মানুহে যে বেয়া পায়, ফুলনিখন বেয়া কৰি দিয়ে বুলি কয়, সেইবোৰো গ্ৰীণ কালাৰ, গোলাপ ফুলজোপা গ্ৰীণ কালাৰ। কিন্তু মানুহে এজোপাক ইমান সন্মান কৰে, গোলাপ ফুলজোপাক মানুহে ইমান মৰম কৰে, আদৰ কৰে, আৰু সেই ঘাঁহ বনবিলাক উঘালি পেলাই দিয়ে। হোৱাই? Mr. Lamb is drawing that fundamental question. He's putting that fundamental question. He's telling that what's the difference? All life, it's all life, same as you and me, all are same. These plants all are same. Some may be flowering, some may not be flowering plants, some may be fruit bearing plants, others may not be fruit bearing plants, but for me all are similar. So Mr. Lamb's garden, there is no discrimination in Mr. Lamb's garden. Okay, Mr. Lamb's garden অকল তুমি ফুলৰ গছেই নোপোৱা, অকল ফল মূল লগা গছেই নহয়, Mr. Lamb's garden weeds বিলাকো থাকে। Okay, those unwanted grass and stuff also is there in Mr. Lamb's garden. In fact, he has allotted some space for them also. That means there is no discrimination in Mr. Lamb's garden. Underline all of you. This shows, in bracket you may write down, Mr. Lamb's positive attitude towards life. Mr. Lamb, a person who does not discriminate among anything. For him, everything is equality in Mr. Lamb's eyes. That you may write down. Okay, you may our agor line of tumalke to underline koiba para. There is nothing God made that doesn't interest me. Okay, very important. Mr. Lamb is telling that jikunu bostu bhagwane bonwa jikunu bostu ke moi gurutto diu. I'm interested in everything that God has created. He doesn't discriminate among anything. Okay, between things. Then Derry is telling that like you and me, same as you and me. Derry, we are not the same. Very important, underline kora. Derry kosa ami keneke eke. We are not the same. Mr. Lamb, I am old, you are young. Mr. Lamb or kane hetu a difference. You are a young boy, I am an old man. You have got a burned face, I have got a thin leg. You have got a burned face, more ki nai neki. I also have got a thin leg. Not important. It's not important. There he's telling the boy, it's not important. These things do not matter. You are standing there, I am sitting here. What's the difference? Where is the difference? You have got a burnt face, I have got a thin leg. These things do not matter. That's why, children, the title of the place, on the face of it. On the face of it means the apparent things. Apparent things are of no importance for Mr. Lamb. Mr. Lamb is telling that you are young, I am old, you have got a burnt face, I have got a thin leg. These things do not value at all. These things do not matter at all for me, he is telling. Derry, why? Have you got a thin leg? Derry is now interested. Unaru tinor leg ase? Yes, real one got blown off years back. Mr. Lamb is giving the information. Years back, the real one got blown off. Lemmy Lamb, some kids say. Underline all of you, Lemmy Lamb. That's the name that the kids had given to Mr. Lamb. Mr. Lamb og lora bure jukai. Whole rascal like a jukai, kibuli jukai, Lemmy Lamb. Kiman dunia ke mili goise so Lemmy. Lamb is his name, and Lemmy means, lame means a person who can't walk properly. Okay, walks with a limp. Lengerai khuskora manhok lame buli koy. Lemmy Lamb nam dise. Some kids say, haven't you heard them? You will. Me huna nai neki, huni baite roba. Lemmy Lamb, it fits, doesn't trouble me. All of you underline, it fits, doesn't trouble me. Underline both the lines. Okay, that means this shows Mr. Lamb's such a positive thinking in him. He even appreciates the name given by kids to embarrass him. Okay, they are making fun of him. They are mocking him. Mr. Lambok jukabor karone jitu naam dise hetu to Mr. Lambe beauty bisari paise. Oin manhue ki kore, eneke manhok naam di jukarile manhue ki kore, manhue jukale khedi jay, they chase away the kids. Okay, they utter words of anger. But Mr. Lamb is not like that. Mr. Lamb, on the other hand, he finds beauty in that thing also. He finds appreciation in that thing also. He is in fact telling that iman dunia naam to dise bor dunia milai dise de, Lemmy Lamb bor moja hoise naam to. Okay, kinu beya nai poaso, oine hole beya pabo. But Mr. Lamb is not interested. Okay, in all these things মানে external appearance Mr. Lambৰ কাৰণে মেটাৰেই নকৰে it doesn't matter at all he's telling doesn't trouble me it fits নামটো ভাল দিছে ঠিকে আছে মোক একো দিগদাৰি নকৰে I'm not at all troubled by all these things dairy but you can put on trousers and cover it up and no one sees they don't have to notice and stare মানে ডেৰিয়ে সদায় ভাবে যে তাৰ কণ্ডিশ্যনেই চবতকৈ বেয়া He's telling Mr. Ne, apunar to bar iman digdari nai. Trousers, you may wear long pants and you may cover your teen face. No kuno ne dekhe, no one can see. You don't have to notice and stare. Mr. Lamb, some do, some don't. Some people notice my face, some people don't notice. They get tired of it. In the end, there are plenty of things to stare at. Mr. Lamb is telling the man, amoni lage kiman sabo aro. At the end, they get tired. Iman bostu ase prithibit sabor karne. ইমান ধুনীয়া বস্তু আছে there are plenty of things to stare at why should they stare at my thin leg all the time they get tired after all তাৰমানে চোৱা মিষ্টাৰ লেম্বে এইটো কথা কৈছে যে এইটো সঁচা কথা এতিয়া ফৰ এক্সাম্পল ষ্টুডেণ্টছ তোমালোকৰে যদি ঘৰৰ ওচৰত বা ক'ৰবাত তোমালোকে এটা মানে ইউ চি আ পাৰ্চন উইথ আ ফিজিকেল ডিফৰ্মিটি ইনিচিয়েলি ইউ মে ইণ্টাৰেষ্টেড ইন দেট পাৰ্চন অ'কে মিনছ ইউ মে বি afraid you may be embarrassed to see the person whenever you pass by that person you stare at the person one day two day third day fourth day you are doing at last what will happen you will be used to it you are no longer going to stare at that person কিমান দিন তুমি সেই মানুহজনক তেনেকৈ চাই থাকিবা হা তোমাৰ আমনি লাগিব আৰু মানুহজন অদ্ভুত যদি ভয়ংকৰ চেহেৰাও হয় তুমি এদিন দুদিন তিনিদিনলৈকে মন কৰি থাকিবা লাষ্টত ওচৰেদি পাৰ হৈ গ'লেও তুমি নোচোৱা হ'বা দেট ইজ হোৱাট মিষ্টাৰ লেম্ব ইজ টেলিং যে মানুহ টায়াৰ্ড হৈ যায় কিমান বস্তু আছে মানুহক এট্ৰেক্ট কৰিবৰ কাৰণে পৃথিৱীখন কিমান সুন্দৰ কিমান ধুনীয়া অ'কে জন কিটছৰ সেই আ থিং অফ বিউটি পইণ্টটো মনত পেলোৱাচোন তাতে কোৱা নাই যে ইটছ বিউটিফুল দ্য ৱৰ্ল্ড ইজ ফিল্ড উইথ বিউটিফুল থিংছ চ' মিষ্টাৰ লেম্ব ইজ অলছ' টেলিং দ্য ৱৰ্ল্ড ইজ ফিল্ড উইথ বিউটিফুল থিংছ সেইবোৰ আমাৰ চাবলৈ গোটেই জীৱন কম হৈ যায়গৈ আমি গোটেই জীৱন এনেকুৱা এজন মানুহ নাই যি পৃথিৱী গোটেইবোৰ বস্তু দেখিছে ইটছ ইম্পচিবল বিকজ আৱাৰ লাইফ ইজ শ্বৰ্ট চ' মিষ্টাৰ লেম্ব ইজ টেলিং ডেট কিয় মোৰ মুখখনকে মোৰ ভৰিটোকে মানুহে চাই থাকিব ওৱান্স দে উইল গেট টায়াৰ্ড এট এ টাইম দে উইল গেট টায়াৰ্ড অফ লুকিং এট ইট দে আৰ ছ' মেনি আদাৰ থিংছ টু লুক এট ছ' মেনি বিউটিফুল থিংছ ইন দিছ ৱৰ্ল্ড টু ষ্টেয়াৰ টু এপ্ৰিচিয়েট দেন ডেৰি চেজ like my face see is so negative ডেৰিয়ে কৈছে কেলে মোৰ মুখখনৰ নিচিনা বস্তুবোৰ চাব আকৌ মানুহে মিষ্টাৰ লেমে মানে গম পাইছে আৰু যে কেনেকুৱা নেগেটিভ মাইণ্ডেড বয় অ'কে সি মানে বাৰে বাৰে এইটোৱে ভাবে যে পৃথিৱীৰ ভিতৰত তাতকৈ মানে ভয়ংকৰ চেহেৰাৰ কোনো নাই আৰু পৃথিৱীৰ ভিতৰত তাতকৈ মানে দুখত কোনো মানুহ নাই হি থিংছ লাইক ডেট ডেৰি থিংছ লাইক ডেট অ'কে হিজ মাইণ্ড ইজ ফিল্ড উইথ নেগেটিভিটি আউট এণ্ড আউট হি ইজ এ নেগেটিভ পাৰ্চন অ'কে to the backbone he is negative you may say Mr. Lamb like crab apples or the weeds or a spider climbing up a silken ladder or my tall sunflowers Mr. Lamb is telling me why there are other things there are crab apples for people to see there are weeds for people to see people can even see a spider climbing his spider climbing example to kele dileswa a spider climbing means it shows the efforts of the spider spider the web breaks again the spider makes the web climbs up the ladder এইবিলাকে মানুহৰ ইনস্পিৰেশ্যন হয় নে নহয় okay or my tall sunflowers so beautiful people will look at the beautiful things কিয় মানুহে অকল তোমাৰ আৰু মুকে চাই চাই সময় নষ্ট কৰিব dairy things Mr. Lamb it's all relative beauty and the best Mr. Lamb is telling it's all relative it's up to you and me it's up to the attitude of the people like the beauty and the beast means it's a story many of you all must have read it's a very beautiful story a fairy tale beauty and the beast which we used to read in our school days tomalkor monot ase sage so Mr. Lambe his story to le refer korise beauty and the beast tamane manhor nijor distibhongir upor kotha it is up to the attitude of the people it's up to the perception of the people kune kuntu bostu keneke consider kore mane kunba ta bostu kabar karone mullyohin kintu he eketa bostu kabar karone kiman valuable hobo pare he kotha tuke Mr. Lambe koise so beauty and the beast what's that supposed to mean there e koise je ki bujabo bicharise you tell me Mr. Lambe is telling that tumi koasun tumi to jana etu story beauty and the beast Dairy, you need not think they haven't all told me that fairy story before. It's not what you look like, it is what you are inside. All of you underline that. It is not what you look like, it is what you are inside. ডেৰীয়ে মিষ্টাৰ লেম্বক কৈছে যে আপুনি নেভাবিব যে মানুহে মোক এই গল্পটো আগতে নাই কোৱা, এই ফেৰী টেলটো মানুহে মোক নাই কোৱা বুলি নেভাবিব। মানুহে মোক এই ফেৰী টেলটো বহুতবাৰ কৈছে, মানে মোক মানে হেৰি কৰিবৰ কাৰণে, মোক পজিটিভিটি ডেভেলপ কৰাবৰ কাৰণে মোক এইটো কৈছে, মোক মানে সান্তনা দিবৰ কাৰণে, ফৰ ইন অৰ্ডাৰ টু take sympathy on me, people have told me the story, Beauty and the Beast. Our story tour main theme to ki Derek Mr. Lemon is a key bar theme to the Derry Mr. Lambo say it means it's not what you look like, it is what you are inside. To me bahire dekhibole kenekwa hetu important nohoy, to me bhitor pra kenekwa, okay, what kind of a person you are. You are fair, you are dark, you are ugly, you are beautiful. These things are really temporary. But what kind of a nature you have, that is most important. What you are inside. Handsome is as handsome does. Okay, it's an important proverb. Handsome is as handsome does means the beauty of a person is not counted by the external appearance, but the activities that a person does. Manhor kormoi manhor hondojotu byokta kore. Okay, a person's beauty not lies on his face, it lies in the actions that a person does. Jeneke ami kau je manhor jibon tu dighol nohoy, manhor jibon tu dangor hobo lage. Okay, tumi kiman bosor je asa etu important nohoy, tumi jibonot ki korila, that is important. He thik teneke the author here is telling, Derry is telling to Mr. Lamb, handsome is as handsome does, means a person is considered to be a beautiful person, a good person, if he does good things in life. That makes a person good, not his face. Beauty loved the monstrous beast for himself, and when she kissed him, he changed into a handsome prince. There you go, Mr. Lambo. Skolpotut ki hosla. I hope all of you remember there was a beautiful girl, a very pretty girl, and there was a beast was there. And this beautiful girl fell in love with the beast. Beast took bhal pai goise, so he Danop took bhal pai goise. And when she kissed the beast, he turned into a handsome prince. Means there was a curse given on the beast that if anyone kisses you, any beautiful girl kisses you, tumi ako prince hoy jaba. Actually he had a prince asile, he was in the disguise of a beast. So Derry is telling Mr. Lamb that when Beauty kissed a beast, he changed into a beautiful handsome prince. Only he wouldn't, he had never stayed a monstrous beast. I wouldn't change. There is telling, if the beautiful girl had not kissed the beast, he to hodai teneke thakile heten. Kintu more ki hobo, moi to change no ho, beast to change hol no, ultimately beast to prince hole holoni hoi gol, kionu Beauty eta kiss korile, kintu moi to eke thakim, I am always going to remain the same. Mr. Lamb, in that way, no you won't. Mr. Lamb kose kyo nohoy, tumiu eke nathaka. Derry, and no one kisses me, no one will kiss me. Derry kose muk kuneo kiss nokore, moi janu. Only my mother, she kisses me on the other side of my face, and I don't like my mother to kiss me. She does it because she has to. There is telling, only my mother kisses, taku e phale nohoy, e to side, e jola phale nohoy, the other side of my face she kisses. Moi janu she does it because she has to. It is her responsibility. I am her son. It's a responsibility to love me. That is out of responsibility she kisses me. I don't like her to do that because I know she is also embarrassed. Why should I like that? I don't care if nobody ever kisses me. There is defiant. There he goes, nelage, muk kuneo moram koribo nalage. No one has to love me. I don't care. Mr. Lamb, but do you care if you never kissed him? Thik ase, tumak bar kuneo bhal napab, tumi to kabak bhal pabo pariba. Hetu to tumi koribo pariba. Why do you care for that? You may love someone, you may kiss someone. What? There is telling. Pretty girls, long hair and large eyes. People you love, yes, you may kiss girls. Pretty girls, dhuniya swali, dighol suli thoka, dangor soku thoka, morom loga swali. People you love. Derry, who'd let me? Derry kose kune dibo muk bhal pabole. No one is going to allow me to love. Mr. Lamb, who can tell? Mr. Lamb kose nui kobo nwara nahoy. Beastoko to Beauty bhal paisile. Kobo nwara, tumiu kabak bhal pabo para, kunbai tuma allow koribo pare bhal pabole. Then Derry said, I won't ever look different. When I am as old as you, I'll look the same. I'll still have only half a face. Derry is telling him, no, I am never going to change. When I am old also, I'll remain the same as ever. I'll still have a half a face. তেতিয়াও মোৰ এটা চাইডৰ ফেচে থাকিব, one side will be burnt. So I am like that. See, students, till now we have come to know that Derry is filled with negativity. Derry নিজৰ কথা বাৰে বাৰে বেয়াকেই ভাবি আছে, যে তাক কোনেও ভাল নাপায়, মাকেও দিগদাৰি পায় তাক. That is what is filled in his mind is filled with a cloud of, okay, it's filled with a cloud of negativity. Okay, there is no positivity in his mind. But on the other hand, you see Mr. Lamb, he is not like that. Okay, he is a person who so far we have come to know so positive. He has weeds in his garden, he makes jelly for the children, those children who teases him. Jibu children e teok jukai mock kore, hebu lora choli karone ako teok crab apple pari pelai jelly banai. Okay, he doesn't blame anyone and he's enjoying life to the fullest. Okay, so with time we'll see what are the differences, and we'll also notice how Derry also changes with time. Okay, students, till then all of you please go through the chapter, okay, and revise, and if there are any doubts, feel free to clarify. Thank you, students.